Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is Bonnie.
This is Felisa.
Yes, welcome to our Canton Fair live show today. It's our pleasure to have you here. Let's start our show today. Today we are going to introduce fan motors from my factory. As we all know, the fan motor is an important part of fan since the summer is coming and the weather is very hot now. We have to use fan every day, right?
Yes.
And then the motor is very important. As we can see the table, there are so many motors, and we have table fan motors, and stand fan, wall fan, and exhaust fan, and so on.
Yes.
Let us give you an introduction of the fan motors. Now please take a look at the sample. We can see a fan motor is usually made out of some parts, such as the front cover and the back cover, and the rotor, stator, and the gearbox. It also equipped with a capacitor.
Yes.
As we can see, there are 4 lines for the table fan motor. As we can see the label, yes, here. As we can see the label, the black line, it means this is the public line, and it has to connect it to the city power. And this 3 wire means it has different speed of fan. And the red one, it is the high speed, and the white one, it is the medium, and the blue one, it means the low speed.
Yes.
And it means if you connect it to different wire, it has the different speed, right?
Yes, yes.
And Felisa, we have so many kinds of fan motors. Could you tell our customers how to distinguish the motors?
Yes, first we distinguish the motor can be the ball bearing type, this one, and the bushy type, this one.
This is the ball bearing.
Yes.
It is the black color.
Yes, black color.
Yes.
And we also can distinguish with the finish, the stator finish.
Here.
Yes, here you have 12, 14, 16, and 18. Also have 20, 22, and 25 mm.
Yes.
As you like. And also can distinguish it from the material.
Yes.
You know, have the aluminum and the pure copper.
And the price is also different.
Yes, you can discuss as you request.
Okay, I see.
Yes. And also can be distinguished from the speed. You know, the normal time speed is up to 1,300 rounds in 1 minute. And have another model, the highest speed is up to 2,200 rounds in 1 minute.
Yes.
Yes, Bonnie. There are many factories manufacturing the fan motor. Maybe the customer will wonder why they choose from our factory.
Because we have so many advantages.
Yes.
Let's discuss it.
Yes.
First, when our fan motor is working, it is stable and it is efficient. And our factory uses good quality stator for fan motors, which can protect the internal structure of fan motors, and it is also ensure the stability.
Yes.
And then our factory also use high quality lubricating oil to reduce the resistance of fan motors and make it run smoother when it is working. And then our fan motors has stronger rotor, which leads to high speed and larger volume delivery.
Yes.
What's more, our engineers have come up with a low noise design for fan motors.
Yes.
It means our fan motor is powerful while running smoothly with low noise. And then it provides a quite comfortable environment for our customer and their family to sleep.
That's very good. Yes.
Yes. That's a short introduction of fan motors.
Yeah, Bonnie just told the whole fan motor to us, and including the features and advantages. Now I want to show you the two popular models. Our customer has a high demand on these two models, and this one is the 16 mm one. As you can see, it also make up of front cover and the back cover and the rotor, and also have the stator and the capacitor. And this one is the table fan motor, controllable type. It means it's the normal type. Its speed can up to 1,215 rounds in 1 minute. Yes.
And this one is the 18 mm. This is the 16, right? And this is the 18. It's something different, or the thickness is different.
Yes.
And this is also the table fan motor.
Yes.
But this one is dipolar.
Yes.
The dipolar means it is the high-speed one, and the speed can up to 2,300 rounds in 1 minute.
Yes.
And it is also equipped with a capacitor. Yes. Like this. But the rotor is something different. Yes, as we can see here.
Have this one.
Yes,
the
this
black
one. Yeah, this one no have.
Yes.
This is the differences of these two.
Yes.
Barista.
Yes.
What about other differences of these two motors?
Yes. As 16 mm, it means the motor finish is 16 mm.
Yeah.
And U1 is 18 mm. Yeah, this one, the length of the stator is 71 mm.
And what about this one?
This one also the same, 71 mm.
Okay.
Yes. And the second, this one, the working voltage is 220 volts. This one also the same, but the maximum power is different. This one is 14.5 volts, and this one is 16.2 volts.
The power is bigger.
Yes, the power is bigger.
Okay.
And the one more thing difference is the speed. This one is the quadruple one. It's the normal one.
Yes.
The speed only can up to 1,215, and your one can up to 2,300. Yes.
Okay, this is the high-speed one.
Yes.
And this is for the South Asia country, right?
Yes. Also, this one is very hot shot to the Bangladesh, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
But the thickness is requirement by customer.
Also it can 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's introduce another one. This also the table fan, right?
Yes, also the table fan. As you can see, the shell is wire, and also have the front cover, back cover, and the gearbox,
Yes.
and the capacitor, stator, rotor,
Yes.
and it's the aluminum one.
It is also wholesale for South Asia country, right?
Yes.
The second one, as you can see, is this one.
Yes.
The stator is thick, this one.
Yes.
Because the stator is 25 mm for this.
Yes.
And the cover is also the same as before. This is the front cover.
Yes.
And this is the back cover. And this the stator, rotor, gearbox, capacitor. There are also 4 lines. As we all know, the table fan are 4 lines, right?
Yes.
Different lines connected to different terminal.
Yes.
Our fan motors have manufactured in great quantity each year. My factory are producing this in overtime because it is fall season now.
Yes,
Since
yes.
the summer is coming, right?
Yes.
The MOQ is small, but many clients place order in many containers.
Yes.
Please get back to us at your earliest convenience if you are interested in. Now we are introduce this one, and this is the 25 mm table fan motor,
Yes.
and it means the stator is 25 mm,
Yes.
and others is the same.
Yes.
It is the same has the front cover,
Yes.
back cover, and rotor,
Yes.
stator, gearbox, and capacitor.
Yes.
It is also has 4 lines. And the label will show you the black one.
Yes.
Is the public line. It means it has to connect it to the city power, and then connect it to each one of these 3 lines.
Yes.
The red one is the high speed, the white one is the medium, and the blue one is the low speed.
Yes.
And it has a better heat dissipation and strong power because
Yes.
the thickness of the stator.
Yes.
My factory has options for aluminum wire and copper wires
Yes.
also. And the copper wires model has a better quality and longer service life than aluminum wires.
Yes. At last, we will have another regular table fan to introduce.
Yeah.
Is this one. Yes. This one is 16 mm. The finish. And also have the front cover and the back cover, gearbox, capacitor.
Yes.
Also have 4 lines.
Yeah. And our products, all the motors are
Yes,
manufactured
yes,
by our factory.
Yes, yes.
And we have the quality testing department
Yes.
before we packing and delivery.
Yes.
If you are interested in this product, please contact us.
Yes.
Let's introduce this one.
Yes. It's this one. This one is the ball bearing type.
Yes.
It means the ball bearing type is running durable and less noisy.
Less noisy.
Yeah, that's good for the sleeper.
Okay,
Yes,
got
yes.
it.
Yes. And this one, front cover and the back cover and the rotor
Yes.
and the finish is 20 mm. I will recommend you this model to the customer because it's widely used as the fan motor. Yes, and running durable. Yes.
Okay. Let's see this one. This is the smaller than this one.
Yes.
Because the size of this one is 66 and
Yes.
16 mm stator. 66 is the length
Yes.
of the stator is
Smaller.
yes,
Yes.
and the length of this is 16.
Oh.
And others, and this is the silver shell, and this is the golden.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks different.
Yes.
And the wire is the same. There are
Yes.
4 lines, and other is the same. We also have the aluminum wires and copper wires.
Yes.
And what about this one?
Yeah, this one, the length of the stator is 74 mm
Yeah.
and the finish is 16 mm.
Yeah.
As you can see, this one is the special design. We can see the wire.
Yeah, inside wire can be
Yes,
seen.
yes.
Can be saw here.
And this one can't see.
Yeah, we have the
Cover,
cover.
yes.
Later, we can see this. It's different. It's quite small one because this is the box fan,
Yes.
not the table fan, right?
Yes. Smaller than that one.
Yes, and the length of the rotor is
So,
shorter than this.
yes.
And this is the 16 mm for the stator.
Yes.
It does not have the capacitor.
Okay.
And there are 5 lamps
Why?
for the box fan.
Why one more than this fan motor?
Because these two, as we can see the label,
Yes.
there are 5 lines, right?
Yes.
And the yellow one and the black one are connected to the capacitor because it is not equipped with the capacitor, right?
Okay.
And these 2 lines are connected to the capacitor. And these 3 lines means it has different speed also.
Okay.
After the black one connected to the capacitor, it has to connect it to the city power.
Okay.
And then connected one of them, and the motor can be used.
Can be used. Okay.
Yes.
Also very hot cell, right?
Yes, because the box fan is normally used in our life.
Yes. Oh, this one suitable for each inch fan.
12 inches. It is
Yes.
suitable for 12 inches fan.
Yes. Yes, will be.
And it has 6 stator, and the stator is outside.
Yes.
Please. And the box fan motor is widely used. Motor will be damaged or the service life is short.
Okay.
And so you need to choose a better quality motor to replace it.
Oh.
Our product is your best choice with best quality and competitive price and excellent after sales service.
Yes, and the last one I want to show you, this one is the biggest one.
Yeah, biggest one.
Yeah, it's called 3-in-1.
Why we call it 3-in-1 motor?
Because this one can use in the stand fan, wall fan, and also the ground fan.
It means if I buy this motor, I can use it for the stand fan,
Yes.
ground fan,
Yes.
box fan.
No box fan. It's for the ground fan.
Ground fan.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
So you can save your money.
Okay.
Yes. We also have the option of the aluminum and the copper.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's see others.
Yes.
We also have this motor. It looks different from this. This is the table fan motor.
Yes.
But this is for the wall fan, right?
Yes.
The differences is it has the metal plate.
Yes. And
But
this one
and
don't have.
It has a gearbox.
Yes.
It has the metal plate. And this one is also the 4 line is the same.
Yes.
The difference is here. The thickness is also can made by the requirement.
Yes.
It has the 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 mm and so on.
Yes. Also very hot cell one.
Yes. That's all for today. If you have any interest in fan motors, please contact with us. Here is a QR code and you can scan it and talk with us. And if you have any needs in customizing fan motors, for example, you want to make your brand or change color of outer shells, we can do for you. Thank you for watching our live show. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.